Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me again with another wig. Today is China lace wig. I have on there 360 lace wig. It is body wave, 22 inches and 200 density. So as usual, that's the inside of the cap with 4 inches of parting space in front, 2 inches of parting space in back, combs and adjustable straps in the front, 2 combs. So I was very lazy and too busy to bleach the knots, so I just used another method. So I'm just using my extra hold spray and my foundation to tint the lace to make it look natural. So I'm just going in and applying the powder, and after this I'm just gonna go in to style the wig. So this is a very pretty wig. I didn't co-wash the hair, I didn't bleach it, I didn't do anything, so in terms of shedding it didn't really shed. Tangling, it didn't tangle, but I had a little bit of resistance, which I guess if I co-wash the hair it's just not gonna be like that. But this is just the hair straight out of the pack. It's kind of ready to wear and it's pretty. So this is just the natural state of this hair. It's really gorgeous, as you can see. So the rest of the video is just me styling the wig. Like I said, the name of the vendor is China Lace Wig. I think this is my 3rd time working with this vendor and I always love their wigs. Their wigs always come ready to wear. You don't have to do much. Pre-plucked hairline, baby hair already in place, and all of that good stuff. So everything about this hair is going to be down on the info section. I think they have a sale coming up to get extra dollars off, so make sure you click on the info section to get all of the details as well as the coupon codes and all of that good stuff. So that'll be all. I'm just gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video.